So hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Let's get straight to the video. No need for too much introduction because by now you must have known this channel, so no need to introduce much. So today we are going to be doing unboxing. Like I always say, I still buy my stuff from China. Most of the things I have, if not all, I buy them from China. For some funny reasons, I don't even know why, but I still buy them. Maybe because it's quite easy to buy from there, or I don't know, but they have, in fact, there are variety. I think that's the only word I can use now. It's because there are varieties. If you don't want to buy this, you buy this. If you don't want to get this, you get this. Okay, so this was my outfit. My earring, hey, I forgot my earring. Hold on, let me put on my earring. Hey, so I think now I'm looking better, right? Although I'm not having a chain, but it's okay. It's okay. I don't want to put on a chain now. I came back from church and I removed everything because heat. Yeah. So hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing. I bought things from China, like I earlier said, and I received them since on Thursday, I think. So it's not actually unboxing per se, unboxing, because I've opened most of the things, if not all. I opened them and see if everything was okay. All right, so today I want us to see together, okay? Yeah, something like that. I want us to see what I bought together. Like I always say in most of my videos, I'm trying to build a capsule wardrobe, and last year, the end of January, not last year, the end of January, I tried to declutter some of the things that I don't need. Like things that I don't need, I want to take them off. I want to just buy essential pieces because I'm trying to build a capsule wardrobe. So I'm buying essential pieces for my capsule wardrobe. And for a capsule wardrobe, it depends on what you are or what you are doing. For me, I'm a 9-to-5 girl, so most of the outfits that I am buying, or most of the shoes that I'm buying, is mostly for 9 to 5, like for work, because that's where I spend my time, right? Yeah, so let's get to the unboxing. So these are the things that I bought, all of them. It's about 7 to 8 kg from China to Cameroon, 7 to 8 kg. But yeah, so let's begin with the first thing. This is a shoe. I'm just going to be putting some pictures, the pictures of the shoes here, so that you'll be able to see exactly how the pictures looks like, if on this video it's not very clear. So this is a pair of shoes. It's actually a nude color pump shoes, and I feel like it is worth it. The quality is anyways, I know more of buying from China, so whatever I buy, I know that the quality will be nice, unless otherwise. But whatever thing I buy, I know that the quality is nice. Maybe just because I know already how to navigate the website, so whatever I choose, the quality, most at times, like majority of the things that I buy, the qualities are perfect. They are okay. Yeah, so I got these shoes. I'm just going to leave the picture here, and I got the shoes. It's not even quite expensive. I will not be putting the prices though, but they are more affordable, okay, because I cannot spend more. Yeah, so that's the first thing that I got. And let's go to the back. I got this bag. This bag, when buying it, I did not check the size that much. I just saw the bag and I loved it because I had saved this bag. It's been months since I saved the bag, so I think I didn't actually check the size because I was expecting something not very big, but a bit bigger than this. Yeah, so but for the quality, like, I don't know, is it even, I'm sure it's okay. The quality is perfect. And in here, okay, in here it comes with this, the packaging of this, it comes with a packet actually, so I removed them because this is what happens when I'm sending things from China to Cameroon. I make sure I remove anything that's going to add a little bit of weight. I make sure I take them off because we are paying for the kg, so you cannot be adding some kind of unnecessary things, especially like the carton that this came in from. I don't think I'll use it here, so it's preferred by trade there, right? So this came in a carton, yeah, and it has this hand just to hang around. So this is it. This is how the box looks like. Is it worth it for the price? Yes, of course it is worth it. Like I said, I'll not be including the prices, but they are worth it. Like the price is not really expensive though. Anyways, it's not, let me not say it's not very expensive, because for someone else it might be expensive, for someone else it might be cheap. So, but it's okay. It's okay, let's end there. And inside this bag I have this, let me put like this and keep it here. I have these two. These are actually perfume extractors. You extract from this side and you spray from here. Pew, pew, pew. Who is behind me? So today we are going to be doing this video, both of us, because it's Sunday, I'm home and he's not go to school. So it's actually my son. So we are going to be doing our videos together. Yeah, so these two perfume extractors and yeah. Okay, give me a second. Come. So the next item we'll be unboxing is actually this bag. This bag, for some funny reasons, I love the bag. I love this bag because it is small but not actually small, because what can enter this bag is too much. So this is the bag, and also it has a hand. Let me see if it's inside. So you can remove the hand like this and it's something like this. Okay, so but this is how you hold it. I just like the bag because it's small, it's portable, and it's okay, and it goes almost with every outfit, I think. So inside this bag there are jewelries. I bought a whole lot of jewelries. Like, they are jewelry. So for jewelry we are going to unbox later. Let's finish with the bags and shoes. So we are going to keep this here. Now the next one we'll be having is this bag. This is actually a Chinese brand and it is very famous though. It is very famous. The quality of the bag is on another level. We don't need to shout. Miss Guy. So this is a Chinese brand and it's a very, very famous brand in China. So the quality is top notch. Like, see the detailing, this one, like the detailing is on another level. It is classy, like it is screaming elegant. And this one I didn't buy this bag, my husband gave me for what, for Valentine's Day, I think. Yeah, it was Valentine's Day, so he gave me this bag. And let's see, it has this hand. If you want to hang the bag, you're going to hang it. If you want to hold it like this, you're going to hold it. So it comes with a hand like this. And also it came with a carton. And like I said, I threw the carton. So this is how the inside looks like. This one is just for protecting the bag, something like that. So this is how the inside looks like with the bag. And yeah. So this I didn't buy. This was my Valentine's gift. Valentine's gift, I'm receiving in March. It's okay. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to go unboxing. So for the bags, I got just those two bags. That's it. And let's move to dresses. So I got this. This is a cardigan actually, and very soon it's going to be the rainy season here, and places are quite cold. Not very, very cold, like as in cold like that, but at least it's cold in the morning. So I bought this cardigan so that I can be wearing them. The quality, I don't know. The quality is perfect, like very, very perfect, and I love the color. It's just giving, like I said, I'm trying to build a capsule wardrobe. So most of the outfits I'm getting are nude colors, unless I'm getting an outfit that it already has, might be a pant or a top that I'm going to pair it. But aside that, most of the other outfits are just nude colors because I want to style them in many ways and with different outfits. So I got this cardigan and I got this shirt. This is a simple shirt, but it's not actually simple. Here is the shirt. So one side of the shirt is blue and the other one is white. Just because I didn't want to get a complete blue shirt or a complete white shirt. I just wanted something extra. So we are going elegant. We are doing classy stuffs. Simple but classy. And so we have to add some small things that we have to add. Okay, that's why I'm going in for this shirt. But when it came, I realized that the hand is short. It's not like a long shirt, but I know what to do with it anyways. So this is where the hand ends. Okay, so in styling this shirt, the one and only way you're going to be styling it is that you have to bend like this, because you can't obviously wear it like this, because see where it is. Yeah, so do I like it? I love it. I love this shirt very much. That's why I got it anyways. I will not get what I don't want. Okay, yeah, so that is it. Let's move to the next. I got this. What's this one? What's this? Okay, so this outfit is a gown. It's just a simple gown, a straight gown. Straight straight gown. Yeah, it's straight gown. It's a straight gown, and it comes with a jacket, a coat, a suit. Which one am I going to use? Anyways, let me open it. So This is how the gowns looks like. This is how the gown look like. It's small, like the hand small. So this is how the gown looks like, and with um it came with this jacket. I'm going to attach the pictures anyway, so if you can't see it very well, you can't see it clearly, it came with this. Let me put it on. So this, it came with this, and the reason why I chose this and I chose black is because with this I can style it with other outfits. I can wear this with a gown, with this gown. I can wear it, I can pair it with a skirt, with a straight skirt. I can pair it with a trouser, with a wide leg trouser. So this one outfit is going to do the most. So that's why I got this. And for this gown, I can be able to pair it with this suit or coat. Well, I don't even know what this one's called. What is it even called? Jacket or coat? Suit. Let's use suit for now. I can be able to pair it with this and maybe a high shoes for work. I can be able to pair this with a pure white shirt, so I wear the white shirt inside and this. So even with this gown, I can be able to pair them with so many things and create so many outfits, and that is what I want, and that was my intention buying every piece. And now the next one is this. This is a body. This is a body top, simple white, nude color, again neutral. So most of the colors are neutral colors, okay, because like I said, I want to be able to pair them with different outfits. So yeah, so I got this bodycon suit, this body dress. Yeah, I got this. Let me put this into the nylon already. Okay, so the next outfit we have is this. This is actually a skirt, and it's giving me one vibes that I don't understand, but it's nice, it's cute, trust me. And I don't know why I took white. Maybe because it's white. I don't know why. I was not supposed to take white for this outfit, but even the white is still okay. So this is how the skirt looks like. No, the zip is supposed to be right the side. Okay, so this is how the skirt looks like. And when buying this skirt, I had so many things in mind in pairing this skirt, so I can be able to pair them with this bodycon top. I can be able to pair it with, I can be able to pair it with just maybe a simple innerwear and that black suit that we just unblock, that we just unboxed. I can be able to pair them with it also. So buying this, I have so many things I want to pair it, but I don't know, the skirt is giving me one vibe, but don't bother. Once I'm pairing them, I'll do another. Anyways, I think I'll do another video on how I can be able to style these outfits. I think that's how we do, because each of these outfits, at least as of now, they have about 5 styles that I'll be pairing it with. Okay, so the next one is this okay, this jacket. All right, so one of the outfits for that skirt is that I'll pair them with this jacket, okay, and the jacket is very nice, perfect, and black, neutral colors too. So I'll be able to pair it with it, and you see, it's giving what it's supposed to give, like, yeah. So I got this, and with this jacket, when I was buying this jacket, when I ordered for this jacket, what the styling tip in mind was to pair it with that skirt, pair it with a pant, with a wide leg pant. It goes perfectly well. I can also pair it with a shirt, with a white shirt, any color of shirt, I think it's okay, any neutral color though, with a shirt, and pair it with this, and it goes perfectly well. The quality too is, it's very well, it's very fine. Okay, so the next outfit we have is this. For this top, Right, where is him in the back? Okay, this is the other side. Why does it seem as if it's complicated like that? Whoa, so what is this now? Okay, so this is how this looks like. Anyways, I think I'm going to put a picture because now it's not actually showing what it's supposed to show. It's not actually giving the design of this, and in which is nice, it's very nice, but once I wear it on my body, that's when the design comes out. But like this, it's not going to give you what it's supposed to give. So I bought this. The reason why I bought this is because I want to pair it with a wide leg jean. I have a wide leg jean that I haven't been able to wear to work because I don't really have a top that I can be able to pair it with. So I bought this to be able to pair it with that wide leg jean, and I also have a black trouser that I'll be able to pair it with. Yeah, I have a black pants that I'll be able to pair it with this top too, and this is mostly for the rainy season since it's long hand and cold, so I'll be able to pair them perfectly well.